Hi and good day everyone. Now we will learn about office safety. In the first part of office safety lesson, we will focus on few things. They are introduction to office safety, legal requirements, and hazards in the office. At the end of this lesson, we hope you will achieve these two objectives. Objective number 1, you are able to outline all the legal requirements related to office safety. And objective number 2, you can explain all hazards in the office. Do you know what an office means? An office does not have a great definition, but it is normally regarded as a place of work where clerical and administrative works activities are carried out. Office workers comprise approximately 50% of the total employees in the world. Office workers may type or file documents, correspondence, reports, and other materials. Their workstation usually has a computer, laptop, and telephone, besides other equipment. Although hazards in the office may not be obvious as those in factories, injuries still can happen. These injuries could lower workers' efficiency, lead to time off from work, increase in the cost for training replacement, and lead to pain and suffering to the workers involved. The Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 aims to secure the safety, health, and welfare of persons at work. Under the Act, employers, self-employed persons, employees, manufacturers, and suppliers have their own duties and are required to meet certain standards on safety, health, and welfare. Under Section 15 Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, it is the duties of the employers to provide or maintain equipment and systems of work that are safe and without risks to health. Ensure that equipment and substances are used, stored, and transported safely and without risks to health. Provide information, instruction, training, and supervision that ensure the safety and health of employees. Maintain their workplace in a safe condition, including entrances and exits. Employers must also ensure the safety and health of visitors to the workplaces. Under Section 24, Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, it is the duties of the employees to cooperate with their employers in their efforts to maintain the required level of safety and health. Take reasonable care of the safety and health of oneself and others. Under Sections 20 and 21 Occupational Safety and Health 1994, manufacturers and suppliers of equipment and substances must ensure that products are safe and not a risk to health when properly used. Provide clear information about the safe use of their products. Make available information about research and testing. Most office accidents result from slip, trip and falls, lifting objects, punctures or cuts, and being caught in or between things. Slips are caused by slippery floors, unclean spillages, or gripless shoes. Trips occur over objects lying on the ground or jutting out into aisles, or because of poorly maintained floor surfaces. Falls can be from ladders or from standing on chairs to reach an object. There are few hazards exist in the office. Mechanical hazards such as filing cabinets that tend to tip when heavily laden top drawers are opened that can lead to tripping hazards. Physical hazards like glare or reflections from screens and hot components of photocopiers. Chemical hazards such as vapors in the atmosphere, for example, paint, solvents, or airborne particles like photocopier's toner. Psychological hazards like the need to perform excessive workloads under pressure or lack of satisfaction from a job where there is inadequate recognition of work performed. And electrical hazards such as damaged electrical cords or overloaded power points that may lead to the risk of electric shock. As a conclusion for this lesson, let us recap the important points. There are several duties of employers, employees, and manufacturers that relate to office safety. Office accidents can happen due to the hazards that exist in the office.